Are you constantly struggling with the sewing machine needles that break or don't produce the results you would want? Well, look no further. In this video, I'll guide you through different types of sewing machine needles and their uses. So get ready to level up your sewing game and achieve professional results with ease. The first and most common type of needle is the universal needle. This type of needle can be used for a variety of fabrics, ranging from lightweight to medium weight. The tip of this needle is slightly rounded, what makes it perfect for woven fabrics such as cotton and linen. The second type of needle is the ballpoint needle, also called jersey needle. This needle has a round tip, what makes it perfect to slide between the fibers without damaging them. That's why it's perfect for knit fabrics, or as the name says, for jersey fabric. Third type of needle is the stretch needle. This needle is similar to jersey needle, but it has a slightly finer point. It's designed for two-way stretch fabrics such as lycra or spandex, and I don't have many of them left because that's usually the material I use the most when I was making cosplays. The fourth type of the needle is the jeans needle, and as you can see I have only one left. This needle is perfect for heavy-duty fabrics such as denim and canvas. The last needle I will mention is the microtext needle. This needle has a sharp, fine point that is perfect for delicate or densely woven fabrics such as silk, chiffon or organza. At first it might be difficult for you to figure out what kind of needle should you use for your project, and that's why I try to help you by making a cheat sheet that you can download down in the description for free. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and happy sewing!